Hello, Barry Anderson for Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? IMVT. So not only did it win, a bunch of races, it would run 4 races so far in the relative strength from the open race, but the big deal about it is look how well it traded. We saw so many stocks today, and even stocks that had ultimately pretty good gains, but giant red candles taking out of a trade, up, down, really making it difficult to trade if you have proper stops. And so, but look at this one. IMVT was just absolutely beautiful. And it actually is through the 200-day moving average, which I think is 533. So, I'm going to be watching this, of course, for the rest of the day to see if it just keeps moving higher. But this is what made the trade great because it had a great move, it won a bunch of races, and it did not, you could have stayed in this trade for virtually the entire time if you got in early. All right, everybody, you want to get back into the trading room. So if you have any questions, this is the email address you can use. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.